Hello, everyone! What a lovely day for a walk! Hi there, ducks! And hello, chickens! Hello. Wow, we harvested so well! Get your tomato! Time to pick some veggies! All done, back to the kitchen. All clean, back to the farm. Whoa! Hey cows, time for some yummy veggies. That's it, good cows. Whoa, it's magic! The buckets are filling themselves! Oh, God, what's happening? Wow, glowing eggs! This is amazing! Thank you, animals, for giving me eggs and milk. I love you guys. It's such a wonderful day today. Quack Quack! Quack Quack! It's time to go home. Time for dinner. Delicious. Time for bed. Good night, everyone.